The idea of this video is to show you how your toddler, yes, your toddler, can make this last minute Mother's Day card. A DIY that you actually can make right now because we all have paper at home, some glue, and markers. You can add more fancy things if you have, but actually it's just that what you need. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do, and we chose the green color paper one, you have to do the shape of a flower pot and cut it and put some glue on the sides, and then you're going to choose a different color to do the cards. You need 3 cards inside with this shape, and then you're gonna write 3 different messages that you can pull out in order. You're gonna show your kids how to do it, and then they glue the back so it's a little bit more firm. And then you try, and this is how it should look. After that, you can write the name of the person or your name or the name of the kid and play around with the designs. We're doing a last minute one, so it's just going to be really easy. We just add the names of my daughters there, and we start to do the second part. That is going to be the flowers too. So just make everything. The kids will follow your instructions. I always show them first what they have to do, and then they do exactly what I did, you know, in their own way. And then you start being creative about the colors. Of course, you cut the flowers first. Glue the flowers to the top of the paper that has the message. As many as you need. Don't forget, I always try to do it first and then show them exactly all the process, so they are going to be finally at the end of the day the ones that made the card. So it's going to be very, very special for grandmas and moms. Or if it's for a teacher, you actually can use this for everything. And it's really easy. Then you do the circles in the middle, and then you let them do a little bit of them too, and then you show them how to put the glue. We're gonna use a little bit of glitter, so it's gonna look amazing and cute. And then you show them how to do it. This is, as I told you, very easy. The idea is like they can be proud of themselves because they made it. Ariana and Viviana are creating one card for Grammy Natalie. That's why you will see the letter N. Grammy Natalie is my husband's mother. One for my mom. And finally, one for my grandma, their great grandmother. And that one is in Spanish. Spanish, yes, because we're a bilingual family. And actually, I'm going to add the link of the channel where I got this idea from. The channel is in Spanish, but they have amazing and creative things for us. But it was an adult one that was created, and I thought my toddlers couldn't make it. So that's why we're doing 3 right here. One for Natalie and Lucila L and Alexandra A. Thank you for watching, and we really wish you have an amazing Mother's Day, and this video was helpful. We made it really quick. It took us like 40 minutes, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be so happy with these DIY cards.
Happy Mother's Day!
Feliz día!